Hello, my name is Holly Walsh, and here I am again with my third tutorial. Going to teach you how to insert images into your site. So if we go home to our first page, you will see I thought I had a theme here, but let's see. We can put a theme in now. Here we go. And then there we go. So now we're going to insert some images. I'm going to search under and here we go, some of our snow that just incurred. I'm going to click on that picture and hit select, and that's going to be one picture inserted. If you want to enter another one, you can enter another one. Just type in what you want to look for. If you have your own pictures, you can upload those as well. So I'm going to click on this one and select, and it's going to go right next to that. So now you have on the second page snow. So that is how you do pictures. Thank you.